Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a Canva design to your Shopify. First, go to your Canva design you want to input, then on the upper right corner click on the share button, then select see all and click on embed. Now copy your HTML code. After that, go to your Shopify account. Then click on Customize beside the site you want to edit. Now you can select for the section where you want to put your Canva design into, whether on header, template, or footer. After that, click on Add Section and search for Custom Liquid. On the right side, you will see a panel that will open. On the liquid code, paste the code of your Canva design. And that's it. Your Canva design is now on your Shopify, on which you can also customize its layout as you want. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.